Hi folks, welcome again to another problem solving session, and in this session we are going to solve this problem which says that in the given figure bisectors of angle B and angle D. So angle B and angle D of quadrilateral ABCD is being bisected, and bisectors meet CD and AB produced at P and Q respectively. So hence this line is a bisector of angle D, and this line bisects angle B, and AB produced to Q and DQ is joined, or basically the bisector of angle D is produced, or sorry, meets the AB produced at Q, and bisector of angle B meets CD produced at this point P, this P. Okay, so hence you have to find out or prove basically P plus Q is B plus D by 2. Okay, so let's start the proof. And again we are seeing that angle sums are involved, so B and D are getting added, so hence some kind of an angle sum property of a triangle or a quadrilateral might be useful here. So let's try and solve this problem. So hence we'll start from left hand side and try to go to right hand side. Okay, so first of all, again as I told you, you have to write the rituals given what angle DQ bisects angle D, and PB bisects angle B. Okay, and A, B, Q are collinear, right? That is AB produced cuts the bisector DQ at Q. Okay, AB, Q are collinear, and similarly P, D and C are collinear. This is what is given. Okay, and you have to prove. What do you need to prove? You need to prove that angle P plus angle Q is equal to half of angle B plus angle D. Okay, so let's start, guys. So P and Q. So let's first see where is angle P. So angle P is in this triangle. If you see, I am highlighting the triangle PCB. Okay, and I am writing proof. Okay, in triangle PBC, what can I write? I can write angle P plus angle C plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degrees. Why? Because of angle sum property of a triangle. Okay, similarly in triangle A, D and Q, let me highlight that triangle ADQ. In this triangle, what will happen? If you see ADQ, angle A plus angle D, right? I can't write angle D actually, so let me write angle 1. In fact, angle 1, yeah, so this one is angle 1 here. So angle 1 plus angle A plus angle Q is again 180 degrees, right? Now what? It is simply left to manipulate and get the result. So adding 1 plus 2, why am I adding? Because I need P and Q together at one place, so hence I can write angle P plus angle C plus angle 4 plus angle A plus angle 1 plus angle Q is 180 degrees plus 180 degrees, and I'm doing 1 plus 2 here. This is the reason why it is happening. Okay, now I want what? Angle P and Q together, so let me club them together, this one and rest all together. So hence what will I get? I will get angle P plus angle Q plus all the rest of them, C plus A, I'm writing together. And guys, angle 4, this angle 4 can be written as, see, angle 4 is half of angle B, no? So hence I can write angle B by 2. check again. Angle 4, this angle is half of angle B. Why? Because PB is the bisector, isn't it? So angle B by 2. And similarly, angle 1 can be written as angle D by 2. Check here. Angle 1 is angle D by 2. So hence I am writing angle D by 2 is equal to 360 degrees. Isn't it? So hence angle P plus angle Q, which was desired, can be written as 360 degrees minus all of this. What? Angle C plus angle A plus angle B by 2 plus angle D by 2. Okay. Now let's try and see whether we can get the desired result from here. So 160 degrees minus angle C plus angle A, I'm writing like that, and then minus angle B plus angle D whole by 2. Okay. And why did I do that? Because ultimately I want the result in B and D only. See here, right here, B and D only. So hence let this be there and let's try to eliminate these items. And we know that 360 minus C plus A is nothing but angle B plus angle D. Why is this? Because angle sum property of a quadrilateral. So you can very well write here angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degrees. So angle B plus angle D can be written as 360 degrees minus angle A minus angle C. So this is from angle sum property of the quadrilateral. So hence what do I get? I get B plus D and then minus angle B plus angle D by 2 from the previous step, this one. Okay, so if you see what is the final answer, it's nothing but angle B plus angle D 2 times minus angle B plus angle D 1 times divided by 2 by taking the LCM, and hence you'll get angle B plus angle D by 2. This is what we needed to prove. See, so we got the desired result. Okay, so hence I can now write hence proved. Okay, so what did we learn? We learned that in this question we needed to just understand the fact that the sum of 4 angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees, and similarly sum of 3 angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So this is one way of proving it. You could have taken another approach also by taking just this quadrilateral P, B, Q and D like that. Okay, so this quadrilateral was B, this is Q, this is D, and this is P, and you could have started from here itself. So the angle P plus angle Q plus angle B plus angle D would have been 360 degree from there. And hence if you see this angle and this angle was same because they were bisector, and hence you would have again used a triangle angle sum property of a triangle and you'd have achieved the same result. So hence there could be multiple methods of solving the same problem. Hope you understood this problem.